I will go ahead and discuss with you the history of this crossing, the current science of this crossing, our government's response to its crossing, and a brief reference to spiritual mentionings of this crossing. I'll start off with it, which will be included in the history. That way, the sites will speak for themselves, and I am not the one that needs to convince you of anything. What I want more than anything is my niece to have a good chance for a happy life. And her daughter means everything to her, and my niece and nephews mean everything to me. And if anything ever happened to them, and I could have prevented it, I absolutely will. So with that courage, I am here to tell you about this crossing. You are looking right now in that black circle in the center of this, one of the objects of the system. Actually, there's two of them. There's one below, right there in the center, and there's one right here. Now, see, these two are not moving, but you'll see a let. So knowledge, they say, is power, and choices are better than none. So I figured I have studied this for many years, and I'd like to share something with you today. I am very concerned about an event that is occurring currently. It is called the crossings of Nibiru, or planetx, or it's also called Terrell, the Punisher, Harbinger, K9. These are all modern and historic names for the same thing that I speak of. And that is, there is a brown dwarf, invisible, radioactive, hot sun that is many times smaller than ours, coming into our solar system. It has 7 bodies that also are rotating around it. Our sun has, I believe, 9 planets, and this little miniature dwarf sun has 7. These 7 planets have different sizes, and Nibiru, which is famous in our history in the Sumer tablets by Eckhart Stitchen, who translated it, also talks greatly about Nibiru, N-I-B-I-R-U, historically, as he claims it is inhabited, and is the story of Genesis in the Bible. And it is these lost books of the Bible that scholars have been finding that also confirms once again that this is not a conspiracy or fantasy. I'm not going to talk about conspiracy because sometimes conspiracy becomes history, and sometimes history is changed in order for certain people to manipulate others.